video, I'll be showing you how to use Adalo to make an app. So here, as you can see, I made multiple pages and each one has their own purpose. So let's supposing I want to create a new page, I would just go to add screen and create a blank screen. So now I would have to name it. So let's say I name it actually, I'm just not going to name it, so I'm just going to say text. So you can basically put whatever you want. One of the most reliable things is a button. So a button is exactly how it sounds. So when you click on it, it does something. Now to make it do something, you would have to add a link. At least for what I would do. Now a link would make the button take you to a different one of these pages when you click it. So first let me rename it. And let's say I'm going to name it to, let's see my other pages. Okay, let's do recommendation. Okay, so I named it. Let me just extend that. Okay, so to view your actions, you would have to go to the button that says preview. So right now I would click add action while I selected the button, and I would click link to let's see what this page is called. Exercise recommendation. So you gotta know the name of your page. So I'm gonna go to exercise recommendation. So that's exactly what it's gonna do. So now when I click on this button, it'll take you directly to this page. Next thing I want to show you is writing. So it's pretty simple actually. So you just have to go to add component, and right next to the button is text. So you know what, let me bring back the button and I can click text. Now let's say I wanted to type something. I could type click here to see your child's exercise recommendation. So okay, so basically in this case I'm using the text to describe the button and tell you what the button is for right here. Now there are many other components you can add, such as a form. Also there are many different kind of things you can get. So if there's something that you're looking for that wasn't here, you can look in the marketplace. So some of these are actually created by Adalo as add-ons, but others, like this one, is created by a different user. Okay, now suppose, let's see. Okay, so supposing I want to install Switch right here. I would click install, and now I got it in my components. Okay, so this is how it looks right here. And so basically I would use the Switch for things like yes or no. You know, so basically if you're answering a question, or basically you wanted to do something, you can click that you could put a switch. The next thing I want to show you is a list, simple list. Now, actually, let's do something even simpler. Okay, so if I go back to marketplace, supposing I want to use the multi-select drop down, as you can see I have it installed. So if I look here or just search it up, I have my multi-select drop down. So I can show you how it looks right. Let me just pull it up right here. As you can see, I added a multi-select drop down right here called exercise. So in exercise, what I did is I put the filter all exercise and I labeled it exercise name. So it's pretty basic. So let's show you how it looks. This is how it should look. So right here I got all my options for my select, and if I want I could click select all. So it is pretty simple. And one more thing I could do is form. So a form could be used, well, to collect data. So I have used a form for sign in and sign up. Well, let's just do the sign-ups. So I have a parent sign-up and a child sign-up. So if you can see here, I'm asking for data right here. So I'm asking for your email, your password, a username, and your full name, and then it'll sign you up automatically. So to do that, I would use the submit button, and basically after I click sign up, I want it to take me to the parent dashboard. So that's exactly what I did. I linked the button right here to parent dashboard. Also, when you click the submit button, it'll sign up the user. And if you could see here, for all my pages, I added a back button so they can go back to the last page they were on. Hopefully this tutorial helps you understand Adalo better, and now you could use Adalo knowing exactly what you want to do and how to do it.